Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix voice echo on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the left, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you click on settings, right here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your device. Go ahead and click on sound and then click on microphone. Once you click on microphone, make sure you click on input device and then choose the microphone that you are using. It says right here, select the audio output device to use. As you can see guys, in my case, I'm working with the microphone on the controller. Once you select your input device, go ahead and click on adjust microphone level, and then you can adjust it by clicking on X and then increase it or decrease it. If you have echo, make sure you decrease your sound or your microphone level to cancel the echo that you have. Once you finish, click on X again and then go back. Then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find microphone status when logged in. You can set it to on or to mute it, and also you can set your microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast to switch into mute or not change. Once you finish, just go back and your fix should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.